In this video, I'll show you how to get the Discord Quest badge. First, open Discord on your desktop or mobile app and look for the Quest section. You can usually find this in the gift inventory, user settings, or sometimes as a banner on the home screen when a quest is available. Next, check if there's an active quest. Discord quests are limited-time events where you complete certain activities like watching a video, playing a game, or streaming a specific game for a set amount of time. Once you find an active quest, click on it to see the requirements. Follow the instructions carefully. For example, you may need to play a partnered game for a certain number of minutes or stream it to a friend. Make sure your activity is being tracked. For game-related quests, ensure Discord detects your game activity, which you can check under Activity Settings. After completing the requirements, return to the quest page and claim your reward. This usually includes a Discord badge that will appear on your profile. Keep in mind that quests are only available for a limited time, so you'll need to complete them before they expire. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.